Greetings, Earthman, Origami's Living Soil. Just hoping that God is present in your life, that you're doing well, healthy, happy. But I just wanted to do a quick video on you can grow huge plants out of pots. And in this case, I have bags, plastic bags, which I don't normally do, but this year I did. Cloth bags are even better. And but they're just more harder to maintain with the moisture. Unlike plastic, they hold moisture better. But if you mulch your bags, which is part of what I'm saying here, is if you want large plants out of bags or pots, you got to mulch them, okay? And that will keep your microbes cool and moist. And you got to have living soil. That's another thing. You got to have it loaded with nutrients and organic matter that the microbes can consume and turn into plant food, and then other organic matter such as biochar and pieces of wood for them to go into in case of moisture loss. You forget to water your plants for a week or two or whatever, and they can survive. So there's a lot of different key things you can do. If you want to have living soil, that's number one. And you want to have lots of nutrients and rich and organic matter, that's number two. Then you want to keep your root system cool and your microbes cool and moist, and that's by mulching it or blocking out the sun with some cardboard or whatever clever thing you can come up with to keep your temperatures down on your containers. It's not a good thing. And so, and then your plants will treat you right. God has made these these living beings, for our service, but we have to treat them right, just like animals, just like people, just like everything in life. You have to treat them with love and respect, and you got to understand who you're dealing with. And in this case, we're dealing with plants, and plants like the things I'm telling you. And so it's not hard to do these things, but it does take a little bit of work and research on your end. But once it's down and you got it, it's just water. You add water and whenever, and you don't have to add as much either when you mulch and take care of your plants. And like I said, the best way is, yeah, this is good right here. But if you can help it, you get a smart bag. Maybe one made out of real thin felt is even better instead of those thick canvas ones. And put it up on a milk crate, and then that way it can be air pruned, and you just keep it mulched heavy and keep your eye on the moisture, and you're going to have huge tomato plants, cucumber, whatever you're going to decide, flowers, cannabis, whatever you decide to grow in that container will do well. So all right, God bless you. And oh, here we go. I'm going to stand up. And like I said, if you want huge plants that are productive and put out food that's organic and good for you and good for your soul, here you go. May God bless you.